Class 6, Subject Geography, Lesson number 2. Let us use the graticule. Dear students, now first of all I'll tell you what is meant by graticule. Graticule means a network of latitudes and longitudes is called graticule. Now, the location of any place, the extent of a region means area, and extent of any linear feature can be described with the help of parallels and meridians. The horizontal lines are called parallels and the vertical lines are called meridians. Parallels are latitude and meridians are longitude. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Suppose if you are taking the example of Delhi. Delhi is located at 28 degree 36 minute 50 degree north latitude and 77 degree 12 minutes 3 degree east longitude. For describing the extent of linear features like a river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal points. For example, the river Nile. Nile is the name of river. The river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. Alexandria is the name of city which is located in Egypt. The parallels at 23 degree 30 minutes north and the same way 23 degree 30 minutes south side equator is called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The parallels at 66 degree 30 minutes north and south of equator are also important parallels. In the area between these two parallels throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. These are called the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle respectively. Now, the 0 degree longitude or prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also known as Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT. G means Greenwich, M means mean and T means time. The 180 degree meridian is also important. From the prime meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degree. The 180 degree meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. So, now suppose if we are observing a diagram, so I'll explain this diagram. The name of this diagram is important circles. Now, the center line of this diagram is called equator. Now, from equator upside means 23 degree 30 minutes north, that is called Tropic of Cancer. The same way 23 degree 30 minutes south, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Again in north side 66 degree 30 minutes north, Arctic Circle. The same way 66 degree 30 minutes south side, which is called Antarctic Circle. Now in north side, North Pole is always having on 90 degree, and the south side, South Pole is always having 90 degree south. Now suppose depending on the daytime, the seasons can be greater than 24 hours in the areas where the polar circles and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the seasons. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral on the horizon. Now, already we saw this important circle diagram. Now, let us see the equator as well as all pairs of opposite meridians from great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between two places on the surface of the earth.